Go get me a coffee. Make sure it's hot. Extra vanilla. What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yasha and this is Makeup a Different. As you can see from the title, you're like, glasses, girl. If you guys don't know, there's one thing about me. I like changing up my looks. I like switching up my looks, even though I do not wear prescription glasses. So today, this video was sponsored by Zeelool. Thank you, Zeelool, for sponsoring this video. So let's get right into it. The box and the package came in like this. I opened it already and it comes in like so. But I've got a coupon code. I think a coupon code is like an American term, discount code UK term, but it will be in the links below and it's just my name, Yasha. You get 10% off. So these glasses are trendy, they're like fashionable. If you're a fashionable babe and you don't like boring glasses, and I'm here for those who actually wear prescription glasses. So this is no particular order, taking one out randomly, and it does come in already packaged. No glass was broken in this shipment. There's a sale going on Black Friday and also comes with glass cleaners, nicely packaged. And ooh, look at that, beautiful. Comes nicely covered so that your lens is not dirty. So I did pick these ones. Do you know that movie The Devil Wears Prada? I picked these out just because of that movie. I love gold, you guys, so make sure that you guys can actually see. They're actually a marble color on the top. Let's pop them on. I am looking like an expensive babe and they're so fashionable. I love the gold. You guys, can you see that? Can you see that little detail there? Oh yes, it's giving expensive auntie. These are WILLET, okay? I will have all the glasses listed below, guys, and when you go on the website you see all of them. Go get me a coffee. Make sure it's hot. Extra vanilla. If you're just wearing glasses for fashion or you actually wear prescription, you want to wear glasses that look bomb, that make you look good, okay? There are these ones. Oh, these are KIANA. Okay, this is why I wore something neutral so then there won't be any bounce back. Again, I love that they are covered and they are protected. You guys, these glasses are affordable and I like that they are not heavy. I was a bit scared about this one, but I love it. Oh, and they also like they cancel out the blue light. Can we just get into this? I was a bit scared because I was like, the pink threw me off, but I was like, yeah, actually it's red. They're very comfortable. They're not heavy at all. Love that. And they're called KIANA. Is it KIANA? KIANA. Get into these, please. Thanks. Yeah, I'm still looking like a boss. I'm looking like a CEO. I'm running things. It's trendy, darling. So these ones are like a green, so I like that. Let's just remove the name HARRELL. So they have a leopard print here, or is it cheetah? I don't know. Anyway, let's pop this on. Okay, let's pop this on. Oh, it's giving me Scooby-Doo. Velma, comfortable to wear. They're not harsh on my nose. And you guys, I've got a wide nose, so they just sit just on top of my wide nose. So I'm loving that. I'm loving that. What you guys think? These according to your preference. There's so many styles, so many shapes according to your personality. These are giving me nerd babe vibes, smart girl, whatever. Not CEO as much. We've got another animal print. I always gravitate to this kind of shape glasses. You guys, look at this. This actually goes with my outfit. Let's pop them on. Ooh, Okay, I love. It's so hard to say I don't like any of these. Like, literally, I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving something. It's giving student. It's giving smart student. You may think they're heavy, but they're not heavy at all. It's very detailed. I'm loving this print. So you guys, if you see me doing videos like this, is Tandy. Is it Tandy? Absolutely love this Tandy. Don't forget, guys, the link and the discount code or coupon code in the description below, and you can get 10% off. Stunning. Okay, let's go to the next. We have, oh, so these are not your ordinary black frame. They've got a bit of clear on the side. They're so different. Definitely unique. Oh my god. Why you guys are making it so hard? I literally thought I'll have a favorite. So these are called CADOGAN. So these are just not your black ordinary frames, but just cute. Can we take a moment of silence, please? It's given I'm a very expensive librarian. These glasses are not ordinary, okay? Zeelool, you guys are not playing. You guys are not playing at all. Loving them. On to the next. Ooh, it's the gold detail. This here. Ooh. Okay. See them on. I don't know why, I feel like a new character like when I pop these glasses on. They are a little bit smaller. These ones are called TONAYA. Loving. Guys, you can look so good wearing prescription glasses like this, or if you just like fashion babe. Can we talk about the gold detail? I love gold, you guys. Oof. I love this little detail here. They're not so, they're like kind of like cat eyeglasses, like the first ones I tried, but they're not because of the frame here. I don't know what this one's giving. It's giving, these ones are more like giving a fashion babe, like, you know, fashion. You've just gone to like a fashion show and you want to wear glasses and you've run out of contact lenses, but you want to look fine and fire and look your best. This is what it's giving, okay? On the runway, like, so we've got one pair of glasses left. Oh, we got clear ones. Okay. Ooh, I'm not sure about these ones because I kind of like color. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, I'm not mad. Obviously, I feel like these are not my like favorite. This is the only ones I said like, okay, maybe they're okay, but they're still fine because, you know, we're all different. You guys can like these ones more. These ones also give me fashion babe, you know. You like switching up your glasses, these are giving it. And these are called, the last ones were called Tonaya, guys, in case I didn't mention it. These are called Malcolm. It's giving a Malcolm. It's giving a Malcolm for sure. They're clear but just cute, super light, super clean, and this is how they look like on me. I love them, but they're not my favorite. So let's talk about it. Which are my favorite? I'm gonna come back with my favorites on. These are my favorite. It's given expensive auntie, I told you. And I just like the shape and the gold detail, the marble effect. I love marble and gold. So they're so comfortable, they cancel out blue light, they're fashionable, and need I say much? Don't forget, it's a coupon code in my name, Nyasha. You can get 10% off. All the links, all the names will be in the description below. and you guys can get your own. And happy shopping. I'm gonna go on my rich auntie vibes and act rich. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and to all my girlies who wear glasses, I hope you are able to get your own. Let me know which ones were your favorite in the comments below. Talk about it, which ones are more of your style. If you're not feeling them, you're feeling them. What are you feeling? You know, these are affordable glasses. You can look good, you can look trendy. Get your own. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye. Mwah.